What's going on, guys? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to do an update on where I think Bitcoin is heading this week. Now, last week was a really good week. Did 11 trades, won 9 of them. Really good P&L. So yeah, super successful week. So in today's video, going to go over where I think Bitcoin is going to head next. We've already had a bit of a bounce. I think it's going to be a bit of a bullish week. But yeah, let's see if we can find some entries and stuff in today's video. Just before we start, I'm running 7-day bootcamp. The link is in the video description. If you want to get involved, I basically teach you my strategy, how to trade the markets. And yeah, it's super successful strategy. As you can see, all of these wins are from the same strategy that I teach you in the 7-day bootcamp. So definitely get involved today. But yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, guys, so currently on the hourly chart. Now, I think that as you can see, we're slightly below the EMAs. We've been rejected twice of them. We do have a fair value gap here. We do have a number of sell order blocks, and we have the equilibrium here. Now, what I can see happening, and Monday is really going to set the momentum for the week. So what I can see happening over the next kind of hour, 2 hours is coming up to around 68,200, getting rejected off the equilibrium, falling back, and then starting to make higher lows on the hourly. As you can see, we're already starting to go up. I think that we do need to have a bit of a fallback, but I think we're gonna, look, we've got rejected once, twice, 3 times. I think the 4th time we're going to have basically a potential rejection, fall to the downside, and then we're going to start breaking out. And this is on the hourly chart. And as you can see, we've got a nice area of support here, which we're kind of holding. We have had a change of character. This could have been a fake out, and I think we're going to move it a bit sideways. And this is on the hourly chart. Let's go into a higher time frame just to see if that's saying the same as the hourly chart. Okay, so just on the 4-hour chart, now it doesn't really look like we're going to have a fallback on the 4-hour chart, to be honest, because we've had a change of character, but it's not confirmed because we've basically immediately gone straight back up. These are my trades from last week. So this is where I entered. That was TP1, that's TP2, hit both take profits. That was a stop loss up there, which I was basically scaling down as the trade was going down. Didn't even go into the stop loss at all, to be honest, anywhere near to it. But yeah, if you look at the 4-hourly, we potentially get rejected off 68,241. If we do start using that, get through it and start using that as a support, then the next level is going to be this EMA up here around 70,600. That means we fill the fair value gap. We come up, we do have some resistance up here. And we could even break that this week. Let's go into the daily chart to see the direction of the day. Obviously, it's going to be on a green candle so far, but yeah, let's jump into the daily chart quick. Okay, guys, so currently on the daily chart. Now, if you look back at my previous videos, I actually called this move live last week, and then it played out perfectly straight after I did the video. Now, we've obviously had a massive downtrend currently on daily chart. We've got a massive level of support here, which is basically here and then all the way along here. Now, I can see us heading up because we've got this change of character here, fair value gap in line with the equilibrium, another fair value gap up here. We do have the EMAs. We just really need to get above the EMA. Now, if we can get above this blue EMA and we can start using that as a support level, and then we get another green order block, which will happen then, and then we can get above the equilibrium. We are off, and then that's when we're going to probably come back to around, where are we? The next level will be around 86,000 to 90,500, and that could potentially happen this week. I'm going to probably be opening a long position very shortly with a stop loss somewhere around here, and I'll be doing some more updates throughout the week. Amazing time to trade the markets. As you've seen, the trades that I'm currently winning. If you do want to learn how I trade, join the 7-day bootcamp. I go through my complete strategy. The link's in the video description. And yeah, let's see how the market plays out. And I will do another video tomorrow. I'll see you guys soon.